Millions of drivers are falling for fuel myths that slowly damage their engines and drain their wallets. And chances are, you're doing at least one of them right now. Before you waste another dollar, here are 15 fuel myths that could be costing you thousands. Let's dive in. Myth 15. Premium fuel makes any car run better. If your engine is designed for regular 87 octane, premium fuel does nothing extra. Higher octane only prevents knocking in high compression engines. It doesn't boost power, clean your engine, or improve efficiency. If your manual says regular, premium is just wasted money. Myth 14. Turning off the AC saves a lot of gas. At low speeds, maybe slightly. But on highways, rolling your windows down increases aerodynamic drag, often wasting more fuel than using AC. Modern AC systems are efficient, typically reducing fuel economy by just 1 to 3%. Myth 13. All gas stations sell the same fuel. Not quite. While base fuel is similar, additive packages vary. Top-tier gasoline includes more detergents that reduce carbon buildup, helping maintain performance and fuel economy over time. Okay, so here's myth 12. Running on empty destroys your fuel pump. It won't instantly kill your car, but, doing it often is risky. Low fuel levels can overheat the pump and pull debris from the tank into your system. Occasional is fine. Habitual is expensive. Alright, myth 11. Filling up in the morning gets you more fuel. Sounds smart, but honestly it's meaningless. Fuel is stored underground at stable temperatures, so density barely changes. The savings are practically zero. Next up, myth 10. Fuel additives dramatically improve MPG. Most are overhyped. While some may help clean deposits over time, they won't magically boost mileage. Real gains come from maintenance, tire pressure, and smooth driving, not miracle bottles. Myth 9. Topping off your tank gives you more fuel. After the first click, your tank is full. Topping off can actually damage the evaporative emission system and, honestly, even waste fuel through vapor recovery systems. So, just stop at the click. Myth 8. Manual transmissions always get better MPG. That used to be true, but nowadays, modern automatics and CVTs are often more efficient because they shift with perfect timing and optimize engine performance, like continuously. Myth 7. Warming up your car saves fuel. Not with modern engines though. Fuel-injected cars only need about 30 seconds. Idling longer just wastes fuel and, honestly, can even increase engine wear. Just drive gently and let it warm up naturally. Alright, so here's myth 6. Cruise control always saves gas. Well, on flat roads, that's actually true. But when you're driving on hills, cruise control can actually waste fuel because it tries a bit too hard to maintain your speed. Honestly, a smart driver who adjusts the throttle manually can often get better mileage. Okay, now on to myth 5. Aftermarket gas-saving gadgets work. The truth is, they just don't. Things like magnets, fuel ionizers, and other similar devices are really just based on pseudoscience. If any of these actually worked, car manufacturers would already be putting them in your vehicle. Alright, so, myth number 4. Coasting in neutral saves fuel. Actually, in modern cars, coasting while in gear uses less fuel because of fuel cutoff systems. And, coasting in neutral can reduce your control over the car and might even be unsafe. Now, let's talk about myth number 3. E85 is bad or, watered-down fuel. The truth is, it's just different. E85 has less energy per gallon, but it has a higher octane rating. In engines that are made for it, E85 can actually produce more power. So, it's not harmful when used the right way. Moving on to myth number 2. Oil must be changed every 3,000 miles. Honestly, that's pretty outdated advice. Most modern engines running synthetic oil can go like 7,500 to 10,000 miles between oil changes. Always check your owner's manual, not just old habits. And finally, myth number 1. Premium gas cleans or fixes your engine. This is, hands down, the biggest myth out there. Premium fuel won't fix engine problems, clean your injectors, or boost performance unless your car specifically needs it. If your engine's having issues, what it really needs is a proper diagnosis, not just more expensive fuel.